Banyale banyo ikijing tip kibabiang bat bansung turu ikijing kipat ba kimat hakasni balang jong ketayo umentirang ba kejala ukon rat kesang ma ulale jengo bat we kendu ikipat nong song shnong jong kasnong jata bat sentung kibahap hakamau control block haka district jong ke east Khasi Hills.
Hakani kejing let jurep umentirang ba kejala meglaya ukon rat kongkal sangma uli ukjat aksnong jata. Barabe keren beginong syong shnong ba kinong ilam shnong ula batai gisenjam ke belashim kare ke sarkar ban kentiu ki kampen roy habro kiliang. Ule keren ru ba kinong yo jeng mentoy naga jata Nong Leer Integrated Village Cooperative Society IVCS bat kidkhot jong ki sengerap daladi ladi haga bakil penpa ge jing syam ge jong ki haga jing lenti ban kiu saprang haga kamai kaji bat kila kerpat ban bo ya processing unit kenang bakin la ban peniat ki mar jong ki Ukondrat kongkal sangma ula penslur ya kisamla badi gilong keme bagi nishim bentati kenai kisenjam bedai bagi emlang salang bat mensngo try ya ki project beper. Ulong bagi okakot dikitan no kendong galak ban kiu saprang leng ba kejing syemkia ke bedai bat kakam jung okai pertai karap karyang bat kejing seng ya ki kam lajong. Ulong ru bagatong jong sarkar kamdai tang ban sutau ya kejing tai ndrei bantai ru ikijakat rekam ki bala ban penek pensa ikijing kamai na kebenta ki pateng bandangwan.
IVCS. Kebenta pan buron ya kinong sensar bat kumjo ikijing parabri dengan kerman namar kata agak gasni kanlong gasni kejing chop gasni jo kejing keman yangi kasnong bat yangi ki parathain sengle namar gidong kejing kerman baga surok kan bah bat paunu strawberry ke torosim kan kiu sejrong tang ini ki kentin khoblai sibon khoblai sihajarmo.
But I'm very happy to see the way the community is working together.
Ikisngaukuman hado kata-kata banyo yaka kabakasnang matagasi kalayele bat kalaltray.
The greatest strength for us is our unity and our strength of working together as a community.
Ka jingklan hi barok away kaday habang ba kasnong katao kay tlibat kay trailang.
And therefore, when I see the kind of unity with which all of you are working together, whether it is strawberry, whether it is tourism, I am deeply encouraged and motivated to help and support this village so that you can move forward.
Haba umentri rang ba ulalet cakasnong sentung kinong syong klap priang sabhai udah kejing ruai ki basung tenat balai lam ru yu ben petkai ke ksat wa arshi kejing tenat jong ngene kejaka rengkat bat ku ke bakuit ba bat umentri rang ba kejela ulele asngo baru bat benetem lang bat kene kenhun ke mana kene snong bat ulepen benai ke song jingerap ke basan lak tengkai kene kenhun bagan tiat gitiar tem ke batmai Ulele jengo aru ikajaka thong so shan ne strawberry hak shnong sentung bad ekran baginong yo jing mentoy bad kladan chis pa khat sangut kinong yo jing mentoy hak shnong kiba pinmi yo so shan kiba bahata magari Umentri rangba ule ekran baginong shong shnong baginong yo jing mentoy ni skim ba per na shnong sentung bad ule pentep japang ka CM Asha ka program ga bashim kya ka jingkala jong ka dor kamur ki yo ka bobo jingma ka jing shingan jong ka kamai kinong ra Ula pen benaru ba yasan lak tengka ban ai na kabenta ban shnai ka office jong ka self help group ha ka snong ula let ru banjurep ya ka sentung sub center bat pen pa ka jing sung men ki kam ki bla di kinong tre ka kot ka kya ag jaka ki badan ha ka jaka ba kendong tam bat ule tho ba sarkar ka thmu ban shnapan bhano ag jing te jong ka kot ka kya bat ban pembiang ki jaka sa na ka benta kinong tre jong ka Hadin kani ulet jurep ru ya kamadan ilakai football sentung bat ya ka sentung upper primary school bat ule kendo iki kena school bat ikino hikai bat ula pen menai ka song pisa ka balai lak tengka na chief minister's special development fund banthit ki tiar tem bat ula pula ru ban ai ka jengkershan ban pen baru ya ki jengtai jingshna
Do the students like music out here? You like music? Do you have music instruments? You want to buy music instrument? You want to buy? Yes. Okay, so I will give you 3 lakhs rupees from my side to buy music instrument. So you can start music class out here, okay? That's only for the students. But then next time I come, I want you to perform one song for me, okay? So we'll buy good music instrument for the students. I want them to start playing. And I will give some money for sports equipment also. Okay? We'll give some money for sports also. You like sports? Yeah. What sports you like? Let me guess, football. And girls? Yes. Girls also football? Yes. Okay. So we'll buy some football equipment for them. Jersey and good football and some good equipment. And I'll send it across. Okay? Or I'll give the money to you, you buy. Maybe that's way better. So we'll buy you music instrument and football instrument. Okay? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. So we are here in Sintung village in Mapundru constituency in East Khasi Hills. And we are right now here to see this beautiful place which has got huge potential for tourism, and we will be developing the tourism sector also out here by ensuring that we put up infrastructure and other amenities. But apart from tourism, as we can see on my side and behind me and across, that there's a huge scope for strawberry plantation out here. And the agriculture department has taken large number of steps to ensure that this particular plantation and product is promoted. And through that whole process, today more than 250 plus beneficiaries are getting benefit here in Sintung village. And at the same time, they are marketing this product all the way to Guwahati through Naramak. And also at the same time, they are selling the product out here in the state, as well as supplying it to IIHM, and there's a huge demand for it. And at the same time, the farmers are getting a very good price also for this. So from the agriculture department, we are committed, and as a government, we're committed to give full support. And I see that there's a huge potential in terms of processing these products, and therefore in the coming days, we will put up a processing unit out here through which the farmers can get benefit, and the farmers around this region also can get benefit, and the tourists also can actually get a whole experience of not just the plantation but the different products that will come out of the strawberries that are grown out here. So I'm very happy, and I urge our tourists also to come and experience this and be part of our farmers' lives, promote them, support them, and that way, as I said, we'll be able to create much more value and many more livelihoods through these programs. Thank you very much.
Long